guys? So I'm right here for another video about the stock market. We are crashing and it's crashing hard, guys. So basically, if you guys don't know, the whole stock market is down right now. And this is partly due to coronavirus. There's like a lot of concern in the market saying like this is gonna hurt the economy. A lot of production is gonna be stopped. So there's so much concern out there right now. And as you guys can see, this in my portfolio right now, all red except for one stock. And this one stock that I actually bought today, I sold one share, a couple shares of Facebook actually, and I bought this stock. It is Moderna. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this company right here is actually working on the vaccine for the coronavirus. So you guys can just imagine, they already got accepted for phase 1 of their process of making this medication, and you can see it spiked up. Right now it's up 35% within a week basically. Typically, like in a day, that's how much it jumped. Actually, it jumped 35%. So I'm already up 13 bucks. It's not much, but it's something. So I think that's very interesting. If they do go, through these next phases and come out with the vaccine, I can just imagine what the stock is going to be at. I might buy a few more shares later on. But overall, you can see my whole portfolio is red. I am down today, $337. So should you sell? That's the whole purpose of this video. Am I going to sell all my shares right now because the whole stock market is practically down? Everything's red. Very few stocks are up. So if you go to my 3-month trend right here, I'm already down like $2,000, which is kind of crazy, when you think about it. But I'm up $1,763. So I still haven't lost money, but I've lost everything that I've made. I've actually, gained a bit, but then I lost a lot that I've made. So am I going to sell right now? The answer to that basically is no, because I feel like I'm a long-term investor in certain stocks, and I just want to make sure that I have like my money set into these stocks that I truly believe in. And this is such a short-term thing, guys. Once this thing blows over, the economy, all these stocks will kind of shoot back up. So don't be afraid. I think that a lot of people are, selling because they're like, oh my God, it's going to keep crashing. But in reality, if you're into this company for a reason, I would recommend you hold and you just stay in the company because it's going to go up. And there's another good thing about this. Look at this as a perfect buying opportunity. You want to buy into these stocks that you weren't able to buy in before. So a perfect example of this is Apple, man. I mean, look at this. This is pretty crazy. So Apple is trading at $324, $326 at its peak, and look at this. It's all the way down to $288. So if you want to get into Apple, right now is the time, guys. Perfect buying opportunity. So this is what I would do. Like I said, I'm not recommending this as advice to you guys, essentially. I'm kind of, showing you guys what I'm doing, and you guys can kind of take that with a grain of salt and just kind of like my knowledge about the stock market. Like I said, I've only been in the stock market for 1 year right now, so I don't really know a lot, but I'm trying to teach you guys what I know and my mistakes that I've made. So this is my journey trying to turn my account into 20K within this year, if not more. And now I want you guys to all be a part of that. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, show some love as well. So yeah, Apple's a perfect stock to look into. You kind of go into Facebook right here. I had 17 shares of Facebook. I sold all my shares. I bought 2 shares earlier, and it's down quite a bit. It's at $197. I bought at $276, but you guys can see where it was, $217. I think that Facebook, like I said, is one of the most underrated stocks in the stock market right now because I feel like it has so much potential. But the reason I sold it is because I feel like Facebook kind of stays a bit in the $200 range right now, and it hasn't moved quite a bit. So an investor like in my position will want to put money into like these other stocks because $200 I can buy a lot of stocks that are much cheaper and own more shares of that company. And if it goes up, I'll make more money. So that's kind of the thought process right there. And I was looking at this way like, all right, so if I put money in there, let that go up, I'll sell some of those shares, and then I'll make a profit. Go into Facebook. Obviously, I'm going to get taxed on that for short-term gains, but I'll be able to buy more shares of Facebook down the road. If it still fluctuates around $200, I'm comfortable buying at $210. So I'm just kind of like keeping an eye on Facebook right now and seeing where it's going. But like I said, I think it's easy money, and I personally, I'm going to start investing more into it. I'm just going to see where it goes. But I sold all my shares, and I spread out the money. I bought AMD. I own 50 shares of AMD, which is a chip company, and I'm down $60 on the day with that. I was up in the morning, and you guys can see it kind of tumble down. 50 shares of that, so my equity in the company is $2,392.50. And then I was able to spread more money into other stocks. You see, I have Uber, I have Tesla, I have CPRX, I have RCPB, which is my free stock. Like I said, visit the link below. You guys will get a free stock, and I get a free stock. It could be worth up to $500, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then I bought the vaccine stock over here. So yeah, guys, I was able to spread my money out and just diversify my portfolio. But overall, I feel like Facebook is definitely one of those stocks I'm looking out for. If it dips a bit more, I'm going to buy a lot more shares. But for the meantime, I just wanted to expand my money throughout this portfolio. And like I said, guys, I don't think it's time to sell. So I'm just kind of I'm going to stick with this right now and just kind of keep an eye on the market. And like I said, if it keeps going down, don't panic. Look at this as a beautiful buying opportunity, guys. You do not want to miss this chance to buy into these beautiful stocks right here, blue chip stocks that are bound to make money. And yeah, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to hit that like, share, subscribe button, baby.